Good day, everyone.
I'm your brain, part of the central nervous system. Your cranium's my home, and if you wanna learn, then listen. I'm the boss of all the functions in your body. I weigh about 3 pounds, but I'm the leader of the party. The cerebrum controls your thinking and your muscles. It also stores all memories. Without it, you would struggle. The left cerebrum controls the right side of the body, and the right cerebrum controls the left, though it is tiny. The cerebellum controls your posture and your balance. The coordination of your movement is also its talent. It's located in the lower back of your brain. It is rounded in structure, as I've gone on to explain. I'm your brain, part of the central nervous system. Your cranium's my home, and if you wanna learn, then listen. I'm the boss of all the functions in your body. I weigh about 3 pounds, but I'm the leader of the party. Your brain stem is at the bottom of your brain, connecting brain to spinal cord to form a neural signal train. Your brain stem maintains vital control of your heart and lungs. It controls important reflexes to make sure your body runs. Your pineal gland produces all your precious melatonin, which can help you sleep at night and makes you wake up in the morning. I'm your brain, part of the central nervous system. Your cranium's my home, and if you wanna learn, then listen. I'm the boss of all the functions in your body. I weigh about 3 pounds, but I'm the leader of the party.
Good job, everyone. Let's have an activity. A guide question: what organ in your body help you in thinking of finding and words in the puzzle? So now, our topic for this day is brain. What makes us respond to stimuli? Our objectives. First is student will identify the major parts of the brain and their functions by the end of the lesson. The second is student will understand how the brain works and its role in our thoughts and actions. Third is student will describe how the brain adapts and changes in response to learning and injury. A human brain is a highly complex organ. It is found in the head and protected by the skull, soft tissues called meninges, and the cushion of fluid. The weight about 1.5 kg and contain billion of neurons. Function of the brain. It controls the voluntary activities the body like thinking, solving problems, and memorizing details and decision making. It controls the muscle movement of our body like walking and writing. It coordinates muscular action. It helps maintain a person's sense of body. It connects the brain of the spinal cord. 6. It controls the involuntary muscles of the body and coordinates functions like beating of the heart and breathing. The main function of the brain is to process information it receives and to send instructions to the different parts of the body. The first part of the brain is cerebellum. Cerebellum is the maintaining balance, has special sensors that detect shifts in balance and movement. Occipital lobe, responsible for visual representation, distance and deep perception, color determination, object and take recognition, and memory formations. Parietal lobe, vital for sensory perception and integration, management of taste, hearing, sight, touch, and smell. Primary somatosensory cortex, found in the parietal lobe. It processes sensory information such as touch, temperature, and pain from the body. Central sulcus, a groove in the brain that separates the frontal lobe from the parietal lobe. It marks the boundary between the motor and sensory cortices. The primary motor cortex is located in the frontal lobe. It controls voluntary muscle movements on the opposite side of the back. Frontal lobe is the front part of the brain involved in decision-making, problem-solving, planning, and controlling voluntary movements. Olfactory bulb, located at the base of the brain, it processes smells and sends signals to the olfactory cortex. Temporal lobe, located on the side of the brain, this lobe is involved in processing auditory information, memory, and language comprehension. Spinal cords, the long tubular structure extending from the brainstem down to the back, transmitting signals between the brain and the rest of the body for movements and sensation.